get a divorce, you have to be living separate and apart for 1 year. You could be living under one roof, but you have to be not living as a married couple for a year. And for both separation and divorce, the length of time that it takes depends on whether you're doing it by agreement or whether you decide to litigate in court. If you decide to litigate in court, and let's say you have young children, you may have a preschooler who's in high school by the time that you finish your contested divorce or separation. So Separation Pathways was designed for people who want an efficient, respectful, affordable process. And so we take you through the steps required to get to an agreement. And let me just tell you another reason why contested divorces or separations take so long. It's because the courts are overburdened. They're swamped with cases of people who go to court when they're feeling angry, and there are very few judges who want to hear these very tragic, difficult cases. And then parents who are angry tend to try to frustrate the system. So they change lawyers frequently, they show up without making the required financial disclosure, or they end up without any money to pay for a lawyer, and they are self-represented, which really confuses the system because people are not aware, what are the procedural things they have to do. So let me talk a little bit about an uncontested separation or divorce, which is what Separation Pathways offers. We know this is a difficult time in people's lives, and we want it to be as friendly, respectful, engaging, and supportive as possible. So we take you through a 4-step process. It's completely costed. We tell you exactly what to expect, and depending on the issues that you want to reach agreement on, we guide you through the process. We help to provide the information you need and the professional resources you need. And the end result is an efficient process. And in my experience, it takes less than 6 months. The time that it takes to arrive at an agreement on parenting plan, child support, division of property, just depends on gathering the necessary information and having some meetings to work out a friendly and fair and just agreement.